So, welcome to episode number six, how you can get client from LinkedIn. So, in the last three, episode four, episode five, I have shared that in the episode three, you can create content that can help you to get more visibility on LinkedIn. In episode four, I have shared that what type of content you can post so that it will help you build authority on LinkedIn. And that is something most important that most people, everyone needs it. In that episode 5, I have shared how you can build trust with your ideal client. Because if you are not building trust, then there will be no conversion. Then your prospect will not convert into potential client. So in this episode 6, I'm going to share how you can get client from LinkedIn. So there is only two ways that you can get client from LinkedIn. Either you will get inbound, like people are coming to you, reaching out to you, or outbound, like you are reaching out to your ideal client today. So what are the ways you can get inbound clients? Like you can get with the help of content. You are posting content that I have shared that you can post content to build visibility, build authority, and build trust. So with the help of content, you are driving more client or getting more inquiry. Commenting, like you are commenting on your ICPs post so that you can build a connection, build familiarity with them. Lead magnet, lead magnet help you in only attracting those audience who are interested. For example, if you are a communication coach and you have a mini training on how to communicate effectively, so those people who are struggling to communicate effectively, only they will reach out to you. So in this way you are filtering your audience from broad to narrow and only specific type of people that are interested in your services. Lead magnet. And the fourth one is getting inquiries, like you are using CTA. If you are using CTA in your profile, book a one-to-one clarity call using this link that I have also mentioned available for one-to-one clarity call. So this type of CTA helps in driving more inbound inquiries. Outbound, in the outbound, you do two ways. Either you do cold DM or you do cold email, or you can also do cold in-mail, cold email. If you don't know that, you can also, when you are reaching out to prospect on LinkedIn, there is also one option for doing in-mail. In-mail, it means that you are directly landing your messages in the inbox as well as in their email ID. So this is how it looks like. Now, this is inbound and this is inbound. So the main purpose of my video is not to talk about that inbound and outbound. The main purpose of this video is to these two questions that I get most asked most in my DM. So what should I do as a beginner? Should I focus on inbound or should I focus on inbound? Here it is. If I have to start again as a freelancer on LinkedIn, then I would especially focus on outbound. 80% of the time, I will focus on outbound because as a beginner, I don't have any experience. I don't have any result. I haven't any bug with client. So until and unless you don't have these three things, it becomes hard for you to close a client. Outbound helps solve these three problems because when you are reaching out to people, you can be direct with them that I haven't worked with any clients. I don't have any result, but I'm open to learning and open to help you get result. And in the meanwhile, when you work with them for free or when you work with them, you get in exchange you can get testimonial. Now, if you are working for free with them, there will be some people who don't value your services. So it will happen, and it happen to most of the people. Then you should not worry about those people because if you work with those people, if you let's suppose you client work with those type of people, then it will hurt you. They will your mental peace will be gone. They will ask you workload of money. They will not workload of money. They will give you workload of too much work that overload your mind. So it is better that you they are ghosting you because if they don't ghost you, you will be working with them, and at the end you will quit working with them. So it will happen that some people don't respect you, though some people don't listen to you, or some people don't value you. So don't get discouraged with that. This will happen. This happened to me also. There are some people negotiated with me. Some people, I remember one client said, one prospect said that you are too young, so you can work with me for free so that you can gain some experience. But at that time, I was working with some client, so I had experience and I was working for long period of time. So I had experience. So I wanted to that I can say that I have worked with client, then I can work with you too. But I didn't do. I just simply said no to them and then ended the call. So as a beginner, it will be there will be a lot of challenges for you. So don't get discouraged when challenges come into you. Just keep going, keep practicing, keep upskilling yourself, because at the end you will get some client that will respect you, that wants to work with you, and that are happy to paying you, that you are helping them. That's it. So in the big as a beginner, you should focus on outbound 80% of the time and inbound 20% of the time. As you go from beginner to intermediate level, then you can split the ratio. Like if you are working with two clients and in the next month you want one more client, so you can stop outbound, you can post about it that I'm looking for one more client, or already you have a set of audience that already you reach out to older people, so you can drop a message to them that I am onboarding one more client. So in this way you can split the ratio, in this way you can get the client. As a beginner, focus on outbound more, inbound less. I am getting client but not consistently. So this is what happened in this case. In this case, you don't have system. That's it. It's a simple answer. For example, if you have a system, you would be getting client consistently, or you would hire someone else to do it for you. Because a lot of the client I have worked with a lot of client, so their problem was same. Either they don't have any process, any system, or they are not following the process. That's the single reason why most people don't get client. There are also a lot of reasons like you are not posting content consistently. There is no clarity in your content. There is nothing that your message is not clear. So these are also reason. But the most common reason I have seen that they don't have any process. They don't have any system. That's the single reason why most people don't get client consistently. Now, if you are busy, hire someone else, because if you make issues there is no way to solve the problem. So if you are busy, hire someone else for to do it for you. If you have time, do it by yourself and consistently, because if you don't do it consistently, then there would be chance that you will not get inclined already. So these are the two questions that I guess most. What should I do as a beginner? As a beginner, you should focus on outbound or inbound. Like I am getting client, but not consistently. In this case, you don't have any system. That's why you are not getting client from LinkedIn consistently. So these are the two questions I have asked. I get asked most in my DM. So if you have any question, you can ask me in DM, or if I already have the video, then I would definitely send it to you. If I don't have any video, then I would make a video like this so that I can directly answer the question like I am directly answering to you. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. You can DM me on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.